Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Ready to make your text pop with that cool zoom effect? I'll show you how. Click the Create button, then choose Videos from the menu. Select a video that is in landscape orientation for the best results. Landscape format ensures your content displays correctly throughout the editing and sharing process in the application. Select a template from the menu. Choose this one as an example. Click on an empty area so no objects are selected. Now, press the Delete key to remove any unwanted elements from the template before continuing. Set the font size to 210 by selecting your text, then navigating to the font size box in the toolbar. Enter 210 and press Enter. This will update your text to the new font size immediately. Select the black box layer. Now, resize it to your desired dimensions by dragging the corners or entering specific values. Next, reduce the duration of the black box to 2.8 seconds. Apply the same duration adjustment to the other relevant layers to maintain consistency throughout your animation or video project. Select the text, then duplicate it twice to create 3 copies. Next, duplicate the entire group, including both the text and its container, so you have multiple sets of the duplicated text elements. Select the first text, then adjust the font size to make it larger using the size option in the toolbar. Go to the top menu and select the G option to begin. This step will take you to the required section. Now, arrange this element by clicking and dragging it to your desired position. Select the first item labeled Normal. The next item needs to be edited, so make your changes as needed. After editing, copy this item. Repeat the process for the following item headed, then copy. Finally, click again and paste the copied content where indicated. Select the large shape from the options displayed. Next, select the BE tool from the toolbar. This will allow us to add text to our project before moving on to the next step. Change the position by dragging the element. You can also add another by clicking the Add button in the toolbar. Enter the desired time into the field, then click Save to apply changes. Select the A option to proceed. This will set the feature to its optimal setting and ensure the best possible performance. First, resize the element by increasing its size as needed. Select the transition you want to adjust, then drag its edges to increase the duration to the maximum allowed. This will make the transition effect longer and smoother, helping your video move seamlessly between scenes. Release the mouse button to confirm the change. Click Apply between all themes to ensure your changes take effect. Next, select the theme you want to preview, then click Play to see how it looks in action. This process allows you to test and compare themes quickly, helping you find the best option for your project or presentation. Click the Share button, then select Download. Before downloading, increase the video quality to the maximum available setting for the highest quality result. Once you've set the quality, click Download again to start saving the video to your device. This ensures you get the best version. Now you know how to make a cool zoom-through text intro in Canva. Try it out! Hit like and subscribe for more design tips.